Most gardeners treat August as the month to spread another bag of mulch and call it done. For the ground covers on this list, that's exactly backwards. These plants do everything mulch does: suppress weeds, retain moisture, cool the soil, prevent erosion, without the annual expense, the back-breaking labor, or the faded, tired look of wood chips by September. Plant them now, in August, and the warm soil will drive rapid root establishment. By next spring, you'll have a living carpet that outperforms mulch in every way that matters and never needs refreshing.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Creeping thyme. Creeping thyme is the definitive living mulch for sunny spots. It forms a dense, carpet-like mat of tiny foliage that releases a lovely herbal scent when stepped on. Growing just 2 to 4 inches tall, it produces abundant pinkish-purple flowers in summer that turn your garden into a pollinator magnet. The foliage stays attractive throughout the season, and the fragrance alone makes it worth planting. Brush against it, and the whole garden smells like a Mediterranean hillside. The dense mat shades the soil, suppresses weeds, and retains moisture. It's drought-tolerant, thrives in poor, rocky soils where mulch just sits there doing nothing, and requires virtually no maintenance once established. Full sun, well-drained soil. Plant plugs 6 to 12 inches apart, and they'll fill in within a season. Planted in August, and by next summer, you'll have a fragrant, flowering carpet that never needs refreshing. Number 2. Sedum angelina. Sedums are the definition of carefree living mulch. Angelina forms a low, spreading mat of needle-like foliage that delivers year-round color that no bag of mulch can match. The foliage starts bright chartreuse in spring, deepens to golden yellow in summer, and turns rich orange-bronze in autumn. In late summer, clusters of starry yellow flowers rise above the foliage, attracting butterflies by the dozens. The thick, fleshy leaves store water, eliminating the need for irrigation once established. It thrives in hot, dry spots where mulch breaks down too quickly and forms a tight, weed-suppressing mat that stabilizes soil on slopes. Full sun to part shade, well-draining soil. Plant plugs 6 to 12 inches apart for quick filling. For a drought-proof living mulch that delivers color in every season, Sedum is unmatched. Number 3. Ajuga chocolate chip. Ajuga solves the problem that mulch can't, covering soil under trees. This shade-loving ground cover forms a dense mat of glossy purple-brown foliage that effectively smothers weeds while creating visual interest year-round. In spring, spikes of brilliant blue flowers rise above the leaves like miniature exclamation points. The dark, chocolate-colored foliage provides contrast against green plants and brightens shady corners. Like traditional mulch, Ajuga shades the soil, retains moisture, and suppresses weeds. But unlike mulch, it spreads and thickens over time, improving the soil with its own organic matter. It thrives in those tricky spots where grass refuses to grow and mulch just washes away. Partial to full shade, well-drained soil. Plant 8 to 12 inches apart, and they'll fill in completely in a year or two. Mid to late August planting works well. It gives them enough time to establish before dormancy. Number 4. Lamium orchid frost. Lamium is the living mulch for dry shade. The silver variegated leaves with delicate pink or white flowers brighten dim areas where other plants struggle. The foliage is semi-evergreen, providing year-round coverage in milder climates. The pink flowers appear in spring and continue intermittently through summer, adding a soft, romantic touch to shady corners. It forms a rapidly spreading, weed-smothering mat that retains soil moisture and suppresses weeds effectively. It's low maintenance, no feeding needed, and it thrives in average garden soil, where mulch just sits there looking tired. Full sun to shade, well-drained soil. Plant 10 to 14 inches apart. For a living mulch that shines in those difficult shaded spots, Lamium is the answer. Number 5. Creeping Juniper. Creeping juniper is the woody evergreen living mulch for slopes and hard-to-maintain areas. With attractive greenish-blue foliage that stays vibrant year-round, it quickly covers ground and prevents erosion. The scale-like needles have a soft, feathery texture that adds visual interest in every season. It stays low to the ground, typically reaching only 6 to 12 inches in height, making it perfect for large-scale ground cover applications. It's a set-and-forget plant that requires almost no maintenance once established. The dense, evergreen mat shades the soil, suppresses weeds, and stabilizes slopes where traditional mulch just washes away in the first rain. Full sun, well-draining, somewhat dry soil. Space plants 4 to 6 feet apart. For slopes and large areas where traditional mulch is impractical, creeping juniper is the ultimate low-maintenance solution. Number 6. Sweet woodruff. Sweet woodruff is the fragrant, shade-loving living mulch that turns woodland gardens into enchanting retreats. Its delicate white flowers and whorled leaves create a lush carpet under trees and shrubs. The star-shaped white flowers appear in spring, creating a beautiful display above the bright green foliage. When crushed or brushed against, the leaves release a sweet, hay-like fragrance that fills the air. It excels at suppressing weeds under trees or shrubs. The rapid spread covers ground effectively, and the sweet scent adds a sensory dimension that no bag of mulch can provide. Once established, it renews itself naturally each year. Partial to full shade, well-draining soil. Grows 6 to 12 inches tall and spreads 12 to 18 inches wide. For a living mulch that smells as good as it looks, sweet woodruff is the perfect choice. Number 7. Periwinkle. Periwinkle is the classic evergreen living mulch for dry shade. With glossy leaves that remain vibrant year-round and charming purple-blue flowers in spring, it quickly covers ground and prevents erosion. The trailing stems root wherever they touch soil, creating a dense, interconnected mat. The starry, purple-blue flowers appear in spring and continue sporadically through summer, adding color to shady areas. It's one of the most effective plants for suppressing weeds in difficult terrain. The trailing habit quickly covers ground, and the evergreen foliage provides color even in winter. It thrives where turf grasses fail, particularly under large deciduous trees. Partial sun to full shade, well-drained soil. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart. For a set-and-forget living mulch that delivers year-round coverage, Periwinkle is the workhorse. Those are 7 ground covers to plant this August. Not despite the fact that it's late summer, but because it's late summer. Warm soil drives root growth faster than spring ever could. Plant them now, and by next spring, you'll have a living carpet that suppresses weeds, retains moisture, prevents erosion, and never needs annual refreshing. Subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.